my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name's Helen. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I hope you enjoy. So today's video is a really exciting one. It's actually in partnership with STYLEVANA. If you haven't heard of STYLEVANA, it's a Korean skincare brand, and they sell so much beauty products on their site, and I just absolutely loved it. If you know anything about Korean beauty and Korean skincare, you know that it is up there with some of the best products, and I was so excited when they reached out and wanted to collab in this video. STYLEVANA has very kindly gave me a code to share with you guys to get a discount if you ever want to buy anything from their website, and the code is here. I have opened up the box just because I wanted to see what was inside and get a good look and feel of the products before I showed you guys what they were. I did specify that I have sensitive skin because some products can be really harsh on my skin, and I do like to just go the sensitive route, so that is the type of products that they have sent me. I will put everything on the screen over here so you can see more details about the ingredients and what each product does. But like I said, I'm so happy with it, and I just can't wait to show you guys what is inside of my box of goodies. So if you want to see, just stick around and keep on watching. So one of the first things that caught my eye is this toner. So if you can see it here, I will insert a little bit on the side so you can see better. It is an aloe vera skin toner. So I love to tone my skin in the nighttime. Like, I've started to do a proper like nighttime skincare routine. So this one smells like aloe vera, and if you know about aloe vera, you know it's super good for your skin and just smells really good, and it's really chemical friendly. You know, it doesn't have any strong chemicals. So this bottle is green. You can see here the bottle is green, and yeah, it has a lid. It's a full-size product, and I just love it so far. I have used a little bit of it at the top. I just put it on like a cotton wool pad. So it says aloe BHA skin toner, tested under dermatological control. This toner contains aloe leaf water, leaf extract, and leaf juice. So all good things. It also has hyaluronic acid, beta glucan, and they are used with natural preservatives. So this slightly acidic toner is designed for daily use. So ideal. Next thing I was so excited to try is this moisturizer cream. So this here is called the Safe Me, and it's by PREM. I will do a close-up of all the ingredients on the back if you want to have a little look. This cream is so luxurious. It's so thick. It's such a nice moisturizing cream. If you look here, this is what it comes with. So you can see a little spoolie, so you can put it the proper amount on your skin and you don't put too much on. And I think that little tool is so handy as well. So this I have been using day and night, and it's really nice. I love a thick moisturizing cream, and this one definitely is that. I wouldn't say it has much of a scent. It just smells like really fresh and clean. It doesn't have like a florally scent or nothing, so there's no like bad ingredients in it or fragrance ingredients. I did ask for sensitive skin, so I'm not sure if they do maybe a different one that has more fragrance in it, but this one has just been super lovely. It's also pH 5.5 and it has 12 ingredients. So if you see here, this is what it looks like on the outside, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. And I'm so excited to continue using this one as well. So the next thing they sent me, which is great for this time of year, is an SPF. So it's called Super Hyalon, and it's an SPF for your face and body. And I just love the little tube it comes in. You see at the bottom, it just is really super hygienic as well, with this little twisty bit, so you're not having to dig into any product. You can just put it on your hand. Another thing they sent me, which is super cool, is a miracle travel kit. So this actually has 3 steps in it, and it has a moisturizer, a serum, and a toner. And it looks like this. It's a 30-day miracle toner, and it comes with tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is super good on your skin. It's one of my favorite ingredients to use. It's just really good for sensitive skin, and I just really like the smell of tea tree oil as well. So I'm excited to try out this product and do the 3-step system. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna try it after this video, and I'll keep you guys posted on what I think of it. My skin would usually be like more dry to normal skin. I wouldn't have oily skin, so I think this one will be perfect. And a really good nice travel size as well. If you're ever going anywhere, you can put the little mini. Next up, I got a little eye cream because I think your eyes are so important to take care of, your under eyes. and sometimes it can be like forgotten about if you just chuck a moisturizer on, but I think putting a specific eye care cream underneath your eyes is what I'm really trying to step up. And this one is an anti-aging wrinkle care cream applied to the eyes and face. It contains propolis extract. I don't know how to pronounce the other ones, excuse me, but it says fruit extract to improve elasticity, brighten complexion, and improve fine lines. So perfect. This is what it looks like. It's in a lovely little tube. This one also doesn't have a scent, but I've had no irritation with it or nothing. It's been perfect and really luxurious and moisturizing under the eyes. Like I just noticed when I put it on in the evening and I go to bed, it kind of soaks in overnight and you kind of wake up and your eyes are not puffy and they just feel like awake and refreshed, which is amazing. This with my ice roller that I use, which is a skincare tool, and I just ice roll my face. I just think it's perfect for kind of eye bags and tired mornings or late nights, all of the above. So definitely get yourself an eye cream if you're looking for one. I really recommend. I just want to say a massive thank you to STYLEVANA for sending me those products, and I hope you guys like them. Do let me know if you ever trial out any of them. I do have a code for you guys which will be on the screen. If you want to get a discount on your purchase, just use my code and it'll also be linked below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're keeping safe and well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.